We're definitely very impressed. The process is very clear, predictable, and there is not much waste in the process. So automation is definitely helping to maintain only direct operations without having a lot of wastage in the middle. So it's definitely impressive. The most impressive is having the full end-to-end connection. So everything is connected to the next step. There is nothing random about the process. And honestly, the quality is managed without having a lot of people. So this is also very impressive. It definitely can solve the problem. It's very important that you have people that would believe in the solution. So the solution is clear. Training the people and aligning them with the technology is where the challenge is. But it's definitely worth it.